what's up everybody? It's Meredith Shirk with SvelteTraining.com, and today I wanted to show you a 1-minute ab exercise that does not require any weight necessary, okay? You can get that toned 6-pack, that toned 4-pack, that flat belly, whatever you're looking for in just 1 minute with this one exercise, okay? So it's gonna be quite a burner, so you're gonna stick with me here. And there's a couple different levels to doing this. So it's a traditional Russian twist, but if you cannot do that Russian twist, feet go down, you're gonna lean a little bit farther back and just reaching back and forth, okay? So you're still gonna get that great ab work, and we're gonna do this for a full minute, okay? So definitely gonna burn a little bit here, but that's why we're doing it, right? Once it starts burning, it means it's working. So take a big breath here, get some water if you need it, and we are going to do a minute here. Ready? And go. So if you're a little bit more advanced, lift those knees up. Remember, if not, place them down. Even after a minute of this, it's gonna burn. You're also gonna find that when you're doing this, your hip flexors are gonna start to burn. Why? Because they're up off the ground and you're also moving through this dynamic movement. So keep your core nice and tight. I always say zip that rib cage together. If you need to, put those feet down and really reach. The most important thing is that you move at your own pace and you do not compromise your core, meaning pull it in tight, zip it together, okay? 20 seconds here. Good. Get there, really reach. If you want to, you can add 5, 10, 15-pound dumbbells. Do you need to? Absolutely not. Is my core burning? Absolutely yes. Okay, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it. Nailed it. Okay, feet down and just stretch overhead, pull that rib cage together. So that's your quick 1-minute ab workout. You can do it anytime, anywhere. If you guys like that, let me know. Like this video, comment down below, and then also grab your free 1-minute workout down below. Movements very similar to this, helping you to get your workout in no matter where you are, how much time you have. You've always got a minute, right? So click down below, grab your free workout, and I'll see you guys really soon.